In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Later account. Later is a fantastic platform known for its robust scheduling tools, especially for Instagram, but it also supports other social media platforms. Whether you're managing a personal profile or a business account, Later can simplify your social media strategy. Let's walk through the process of setting up your account step by step. First, let's start by navigating to the Later website. You can do this by typing in later.com into your web browser's address bar and pressing enter. Once the page loads, you'll see Later's user-friendly interface and various tools designed to streamline your social media efforts. Now, take a look toward the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login button. Go ahead and click on it. Doing so will take you to a page with options to log into an existing account. But since we're creating a new account, look for the option that says Create Account and click on that. With that click, you are now led to the account creation form. Here's where you begin filling out your details. Start with your email address. Carefully enter the email address you want to associate with your Later account. It should be a valid email that you check regularly, as you'll potentially receive important notifications and updates to that address. After you've typed in your email, the next field asks you to create a password. Choose a strong password that's unique to Later. Ideally, your password should be a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. Once you've entered your password, scroll down a bit and you'll see a field asking you to confirm this password by retyping it exactly as you did before. This ensures there are no typos in your password, which could prevent you from logging in later. Moving on, you'll continue by providing your first and last name. This information will be linked to your account, and while it doesn't necessarily have to be visible externally, it will be useful for analytics and identification purposes within the platform. With all fields carefully filled out, it's time to move to the final step, creating your account. Simply click on the Create Account button and let the platform process your information. In just a few moments, you'll have your new Later account ready to go. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your Later account, and now you can start exploring its features. From planning posts to analyzing engagement, Later provides a wide array of tools. If you ever have questions or need assistance, Later's support team is always ready to help. Thanks for joining me today, and happy scheduling!